Hello, in this video I'll show you how to solve the following problem. If square root of a plus square root of b equals 2, and square root of a times b equals 2, find the value of a and b. First, square the first equation to remove the square roots. Square root a plus square root b squared equals 2 square, a plus b plus 2 square root a times b equals 4. We know from the second equation that square root a times b equals 2, so replace it in the first equation. A plus b plus 2 times 2 is equal to 4, a plus b plus 4 is equal to 4, subtract 4 from both sides, then a plus b equals 0, so b equals minus a. Now we know that a times b equals square root a times b squared equals 2 square equals 4. Replace b equals minus a in that, then a times minus a equals 4, so minus a square equals 4. Divide both sides by minus 1. Then a square equals minus 4. Take the square root of both sides, a equals plus or minus 2i, so when a equals 2i, b equals minus 2i, and when a equals minus 2i, b equals 2i. Final answer, a equals 2i and b equals minus 2i, or a equals minus 2i and b equals 2i.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.